Let's see how my friends are working on their aircraft. Hey buddy. How's your aircraft project going?
It's going good so far.
That's good. May I see it on your computer?
Sure.
Thanks. You're doing good on it. Good job.
Thanks. But we are going on the aircraft. My computer said.
Oh, prove it.
Computer, who is going on the aircraft?
Loading for next aircraft.
How long is this supposed to load?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Are you serious?
10 minutes later. I have found out who is going on the aircraft.
That's good. Who will be on it? Please, not us, NASA.
Tommy M and Jackson C will be on the aircraft.
Yay, my dream came true. I'll go to outer space for the first time in my life.
You both will go on it tomorrow. Make sure you both have a spacesuit at your house.
I'll go to the astronaut suit shop later today, so we can go tomorrow. We will be filled with curiosity when we go to space. I can't wait.
I'll do that, too, Jackson. I can't wait just like you too.
I'll put my computer away. We can go to the astronaut shop now, okay?
Yes, let's go. I'm so excited. There. That's exactly what we need for our aircraft.
It's a space suit. Let's buy it. Almost there.
Hooray! We are almost ready to go. Just need my hat. There. Are you ready?
Almost. Tommy, I am now. Let's go. Let's count down. Tommy.
Yes. Let's count down from down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Hey!
Yay, we are going to the moon for the first time.
Calm down, Tommy.
I'm just so happy, Jackson.
I know you're happy, but we are about to land on the moon. Look out the spaceship.
Oh my gosh, you're right. I can't believe it. We just landed on the moon. We can get out now, Jackson.
I can fly like a bird.
You're funny. It's the gravity. That's why we have big lumps on our backs. If you were a bird, you would have wings to fly with.
Tommy, how can I float? We can't do that on our planet.
Didn't I tell you already? It's the gravity. There's no gravity in space.
But why can't we? Oh, gravity on Earth. Never mind.
See? You need to learn more about how space works from now on.
I know that now. That was fun, but I'll miss space.
Don't worry. We can go next time.
Yay. Thank you.